everyone, welcome to Hilltop View Journals. Today I'm going to give you a very quick tutorial on how I play with the ephemera that's available in digital kits, and also how I jazz up some of the kit pages and use my scraps to make some unique tags. Of course, the kit with Mandy from Sunflower and Doors has got some absolutely gorgeous tags in it, and I've used them throughout my journal, but I did also want to just have a play and make them a little bit bespoke to myself and make the best of the ephemera that she has provided in the kit. I did say it's a very short tutorial, little bits of music, some speeded up versions, but hopefully you'll just get to the understanding of the process and what I do to make my tags. So hope you enjoy, and I shall see you at the end for a recap. See you soon. So I've got a very messy desk full of just strips of white paper. They're the cut-offs from the digital kits when you do the ephemera, when you cut out the fussy cuts. So I've painted them with watercolour, and then I've just stamped on them, or I've done a little bit of messy embossing. You can see there, that's embossing, and I've got some embossing here. That's embossing. Got some scraps, I've got some fabric here, so I thought I'd just make some clusters, I think, and I've got some fussy cuts here from the kit as well. So I'll just have a little bit of a play, I think.
is soft, turn the key and cooler on. Push the pause for relief. Free pass, you don't even have to ask to be the cat in the sun. Someday I will see the whole deal through. Today I've got better things to do.
So I've got my sewn pieces which I need to tidy up here, and I've got some of the ephemera from the kit, and I made a couple of journaling cards. I got a couple of bits of scrap here that I'm also going to make into journaling cards, and then I've pulled out some of these tickets that I had from Rachel Bella Crafts. I think they're from the Urtaili kit, the family. So those are there. So I'm going to have a bit of a play now. Sorry about my icky fingers, but I've been using this scorched timber distress ink, and it's making a heck of a mess. So some of these need backing. I think those all need backing, so I'll do that first and see how I get on. Okay, so I've sewn around all these. I will tidy them up a little bit before I use them, but for now they're okay. And what I'm going to do is just show you on some of these. I've covered up the flower, the poppies that were on there, only just to give a little bit of variety to the tags, because I've sort of used quite a lot of them the same. So I'm just going to go through the ones that I've covered, and I'm not really into mason jars. I don't know why, just I don't like them. Okay, I'm going to put those to one side. I'm just going to work on these. So this one I wanted to put that there as a cluster, and I will go ahead and do the toppers off camera. I've got glue everywhere. I'm just going to use my glue gun. And this is from Frosted Bramble. If I remember, I'll put a link to her Etsy shop below in the description box. Okay, so that's that one. And this one, oh, I've got this one as well, so don't know who gifted this tag to me. Oh, no, it's actually, yes, it came free with a purchase on Etsy. Right, this one, I'm thinking just something simple there. That. This one, which is plain, which you could use as a backing, but I want to use it as the front because I just think it's so lush. I'm going to put one of my big ones, and what I did on here was use stitching as to make it look like staples. Them off. So there we are. Let's have a look at this other one as well. I think that one looks nicer on that actually. Yeah, I'll use this one. Okay, and this is the last one, and I did want to use one of these round ones. So that's too big, I think. Yeah, I've got the small one. Oh, I've got that one as well, so that's finished. I'll definitely want to use these round ones because they're so pretty. But I think that's a bit too big, so I'll pop that on there for now. Okay. And let's grab some of my bigger I don't know if these, no, I don't think they look right, do they? No, I need to cut some more of the plain tags to use these because, you know, they look really nice, like for, you know, on there. So I need some plain backings for those. Okay. I think that looks pretty there. Oh, I do like the idea of using that as a belly band. Oh, I like that on there. There we are. I think that's enough for now. I will carry on playing and decorating what I have left. I forgot to show these journaling cards that I made. I mentioned earlier in the video that I wanted to use plain backgrounds. So I've used the backgrounds from both kits from Julie and Mandy, and I folded them over and then I made these clusters, and there's a quick process video on my Instagram account if you want to see how I made those scrappy journaling cards. So I've got some of the tags in my signatures now that I've made during this video, and I've really enjoyed the process. Got one of the plain backgrounds there and the lovely circles. And what else have we got here? It's another one there. I really like the clusters, and I would encourage you to use your strips of paper because they make wonderful clusters. And what else have I got here? Have I got anything else in this one? No, nothing in that one. And I got a couple more here. I've got this one. Again, I've used strips there to make the cluster ahead of time. Got this little one, I need to put a topper on it. Again, using the lovely circles and the plain backgrounds. And what else have I got here? I mean, they make great journaling cards. Another plain background there. And that's one that I've embossed with an image and some watercolour background there. Oh, I do love that. Another little ones there. That's the one I had free off Carol on Etsy. Can't remember her shop name, but if I do remember it, I'll put it in the description box. I've just covered it to make it match the kit. And it's another one of my embossed versions. And yep, that's it. So I hope you enjoyed this really short tutorial, and we'll go and check out the lovely ephemera that's in the kits with Mandy from Sunflower Doors and Julie from Julie's Papercraft. Thanks for watching along. I'd really appreciate a quick like and a comment if you enjoyed this short tutorial, and I shall see you very soon with some more ideas for my Poppies journal.